bidding farewell to a year that gifted us our lives back. After 2 years of lockdown, we all resumed normalcy and the fun talking to each other face to face. It was fun to be around friends and family and back to office conversations. We could empathize with people who suffered a loss during the COVID period, and it was deeply satisfying for us as well. As we progress into a new year, all we can wish for ourselves and our dear ones is good health, happiness, and success. While a new COVID variant, global economic crisis and many other ill factors are looming over the year 2023, hope and looking up to a brighter sun every morning is what is keeping this world going on. To give a push start to this positivity in the new year, we have compiled a list of beautiful New Year wishes that you can send to your dear ones. And we have a list of 50 of them, so you can choose the best one. Happy New Year! May the coming year be full of grand adventures and opportunities. Life is short. Dream big and make the most of 2023. Happy New Year! 2023 is the beginning of a new chapter. This is your year. Make it happen. Life is an adventure that's full of beautiful destinations. Wishing you many wonderful memories made in 2023. Wishing you a happy new year, bursting with fulfilling and exciting opportunities. And remember, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. May the new year bring you happiness, peace, and prosperity. Wishing you a joyous 2023. It is time to forget the past and celebrate a new start. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I hope all your endeavors in 2023 are successful. Happy New Year! Let's toast to yesterday's achievements and tomorrow's bright future. Happy New Year! I hope all your dreams come true in 2023. Onwards and upwards. Wishing you and your family a happy new year filled with hope, health, and happiness, with a generous sprinkle of fun. As the sun sets on another year, I wish you great company and good cheer. Wishing you a blessed new year. When I count my blessings, I count you twice. As 2023 approaches, I realize how lucky I am to count you as my friend. I am truly grateful for all that you do. My New Year's resolution is to make more time to catch up with you next year, no matter how crazy work and life gets. Each year is a gift that holds hope for new adventures. May your new year be filled with exploration, discovery, and growth. Happy New Year! Wishing you lots of love and laughter in 2023 and success in reaching your goals. Happy New Year! Best wishes to my beloved friend for a wonderful year ahead. Though we're miles apart, you are always in my thoughts and prayers. Happy New Year! I know this past year has had its fair share of ups and downs, but good or bad, these experiences have shaped who we are today and who we will be in the future. Onwards and upwards, my friend, with no regrets. Happy New Year! May you find the perspective you seek in 2023. As a wise person once said, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain. This is the perfect time to turn over a new leaf and follow your dreams. You can do it. Quotes. Don't ever feel like your best days are behind you. Reinvention is the purest form of hope. Make today your best yet. Phil Wall. set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. Rumi. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world. Harriet Tubman. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Rumi. Life should not be a journey to the grave with the intention of arriving safely in a pretty and well-preserved body, but rather to skid in broadside in a cloud of smoke, thoroughly used up, totally worn out, and loudly proclaiming wow. What a ride! Hunter S. Thompson. Cheers to a new year and another chance for us to get it right. Oprah Winfrey. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Eleanor Roosevelt. As we look forward to the new year, let's resolve to recommit ourselves to the values we share. Barack Obama.